Well, here they are, all tucked in for their afternoon naps. First of all, we have Misty, the mysterious cat from Question Mark Island. We have Captain Jack let me do that again. Captain Cracker Jack Black, the courageous but kind cutthroat Caribbean pirate cat. Then we have Billy Badcat right here. Billy Badcat, or Billy the Kitty. Right, Billy? And then, passing by Captain Jack, we go over this way, and we have Buddy the cat. Let's back up a minute. You can see Buddy the cat on his cat tree. Goes all the way up there. Let's go take a closer look at Buddy. Buddy, what do you think? Gonna get some more Z's today? Alright, buddy. See you later.